Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up in Tripadvisor. So first, you tap there and then tap sign in. And you can continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, or email. So for example, with email, and then you just enter your email address or tap sign up if you don't have a Tripadvisor yet. And then you just enter your email address that is active, and then don't forget to enter your password, and then you can just tap on sign up. And after you enter your password and everything, so this will show up if you already have an existing account, and you can just tap sign in and then enter your password. But if you forget your password, you can just tap on forgot password. So in here, I remember my password, and then it's already signed in. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.